Welcome back. Today we're going to look at how to solve exponential equations. In other words, we need to get the particular x value to x to the power of 1 whenever we don't see that happening. So let's have a look at the first question. We have here x to the power of 1 over 5 is equal to 2. How do I solve for x? But don't forget, how do I solve for x to the power of 1? What I need to do is multiply this 1 over 5 by the opposite or reciprocal number, which is 5 over 1. Inverse or opposite. And that'll give me x to the power 5 over 5. Don't forget law number 2. Multiply the powers when you have parentheses or brackets. So 1 over 5 multiplied by 5 over 1 gives me 5 over 5, which is 1. What I do to one side, I do to the other. And so it's 2 to the power of 5 is 32. The next question here, a bit more tricky, is 5 to the multiplied by x to the power of 3 over 4 plus 40 is equal to 0. Now don't forget we're solving for x, so we need to remove anything else that's not associated with x. Move or take all the constants to the right hand side as you were taught in your primary or elementary school years. Take the 40 across, subtract 40 from each side, becomes minus 40 over there, 40 goes there, 5x to the power 3 over 4. Next step to do is to make sure you work with the 5, because you're solving for x, not 5. 5 divided into that gives you minus 8. Then I'm left with x to the power of 3 over 4, which is not x to the power of 1. I need to multiply by the reciprocal opposite number, which is 4 over 3. And so that's what I've done to get the 1 there. Minus 8 is from that. Don't forget 8 is not prime. Minus 2 to the power of 3, all to the power of 4 over 3. And then I end up with an answer of that. The third and last one for today's lesson is quite difficult. And this one is really about knowing your quadratic equations, and this is a quadratic exponent, because these numbers, these three different terms, are in one expression, which is a trinomial expression. And so what I have to do is recognize that, for example, x to the power 1 over 3 multiplied by x to the power 1 over 3 is equal to x to the power 1 over 3 plus 1 over 3, which is 2 over 3. That's just basic mathematics adding. And knowing that, I can now factor this quadratic expression. I wouldn't recommend quadratic formula, be too difficult. And so I end up with the factors x to the power 1 over 3 minus 2 multiplied by x to the power 1 over 3 plus 1. Different countries will teach this very differently. Check with your teacher, because this I'm doing the x factor. Hence the word x factor. I'm doing the x factor method. So in other words, x to the power 1 over 3 is equal to 2, or x to the power 1 over 3 is equal to minus 1. What I need to do is get rid of the 1 over 3, reciprocal, multiply across, x to the power 1 is equal to 2 to the power 3, because I've done this to this side, because I've done that to that side. And this one here is very straightforward. Minus 1 to the power 3 is the same as minus 1. I hope you enjoyed the lesson on exponential functions, and we'll see you again later. Bye-bye.